Safety Training Seminars in Walnut Creek, Shadelands. Our address is 3011 Citrus Circle. Once you find an open parking spot, enter through the parking lot doors. Once inside, you can take the stairs immediately to your right, or you can continue down the hall, past the directory, to the stairs in the back. Make your way to the second floor. Safety Training Seminars is in the corner suite. Our suite number is 205. Enter the code that was provided to you on the keypad. You can choose Station A or Station B. Log in and you can begin your RQI skill test.